What's going on, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a cooler, actually a backpack cooler by the company TOURIT. Explore the world. I want y'all to check this thing out. I have been using this and this thing is awesome. I actually have the tags right here that I'm going to go over with real quick. So looking over it, this is great for camping, picnicking, a beach, cooling up to 16 hours. It's got a leak proof inside. It's easy to clean. And looking at the specs on this thing, it's 13 by 7.5 by 15 inch as far as like, and it's a 28 liter cooler inside of here. I have my drinks, my ice, and everything is contained in here. I've been using this cooler off and on, and I just kind of like wanted to show y'all this and see. I'm getting ready to hike into a river here, and I packed this thing up, and let me just kind of like go over some of the outside of it here. Very nice high quality zippers, and you can see in this upper right here, I have my little Woobin headlamp. I got a little Woobin headlamp in there, and then I have this Explorer, you know, electric lighter. I love my little Explorer electric lighter. So I have that up here. So the material is a 600D Oxford. This thing does not feel, this feels like a ripstop nylon, honestly, to me. This looks really good. Let me put it up here on the table here. This thing can actually hold up to like 30 cans if you really loaded it down. And it's great for hiking because it has, you know, straps on it. Let me just go over it and show you how I have it set up. Number one, they have like these little molly hooks where you could hook carabiners and all that too. You have a opening here that I just put like a quick bar if I needed to grab a quick bar while I'm hiking. And then in here, I have a bag of chips and a biscuit, believe it or not, from this morning. But this would be where you'd put your dishes. You could put like a plate, a bowl, some silverware down inside there. Two big pockets. This will hold up to an algae bottle, but what I did, I put my thermos in this side. So I have my thermos, so I have my coffee and everything right there. And I showed you this top one right here. And then you have a little hang for hanging it up. And then check this out. They actually built in a bottle top opener. So if you had like any type of like drink that had a bottle top, you actually have a bottle top opener right there, and that's pretty cool. It's actually a good quality one. They have their logo on it, TOURIT. Explore the world. These look, and they're padded. These things feel really good. They're padded. They don't have a waist strap, but they have a little like area right here. I think you could put a cell phone in there, honestly, or some sort of power bar or something like that. I think I could fit my cell phone in there. So you can put your cell phone inside that little holder right there. Has adjustable straps right here, and it's on the shoulder straps. Let me go ahead and show you the main feature of this. Number one, it's a backpack, hiking backpack, but it's also, check it out, everybody, it's a cooler. Look down in there. I have drinks for my buddies here. I have a couple of sodas, some water. Now I put this ice in here at, I think it was around about 7 o'clock this morning. Look how much ice is still left in there. And these are very cold. This thing, and it's leak proof. All of this is leak proof. The zipper will leak if you roll it over, but you know what? All of this is leak proof, and it's got foam built into it. So this thing held ice all day. I mean, I've been out on the river and I just got back and I'm gonna go for a little hike, and it's still got ice down in there. And these drinks are very cold. It's hard to show you how cold it is, but you can see the condensation built up on them. Been nothing but impressed with this TOURIT backpack. Very high quality. This is great for, I'll be using this amongst my travels. But yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the TOURIT Explore the World backpack. See y'all in the next video. Woo.